Hey there! Welcome back to English Edge. Let me ask you something. Have you ever wanted to speak English confidently in everyday situations but felt stuck? Maybe you were at a store trying to ask for help, or at a restaurant unsure how to order. You're not alone, we've all been there. But today we're going to change that. Because today you'll learn 7 simple English phrases that you can use every single day. And trust me, they're easy, powerful, and they'll make you feel like a natural speaker. Before we dive in, if you're excited to finally speak English with confidence, give this video a thumbs up and hit subscribe. English Edge is your new home for real-life English learning. I'm so glad you're here. This channel is all about helping you speak real, practical English. Not textbook English, not boring grammar drills, just the kind of English you need when you're out in the world, talking to people, making friends, living life. So if you're a beginner, don't worry. You don't need perfect grammar. You don't need a big vocabulary. You just need the right phrases and the confidence to use them. Let's dive in. Phrase 1. Excuse me. This is your magic phrase. Use it when you want to get someone's attention politely. At a store. Excuse me, where can I find the milk? On the street. Excuse me, can you help me? It's respectful, simple, and works everywhere. Phrase 2. Can I have? This is perfect for ordering food, asking for things, or making requests at a cafe. Can I have a coffee, please? At a shop. Can I have a bag? It's polite and direct. Add please to make it even nicer. Phrase 3. I'm looking for. Use this when you're searching for something. I'm looking for the bathroom. I'm looking for a gift for my friend. It's helpful in stores, airports, and even online. Phrase 4. How much is this? Shopping made easy. Just point to the item and say, how much is this? You'll get the price. And maybe even a smile. Phrase 5. I don't understand. This one is brave. It's okay to say it. If someone speaks too fast or uses difficult words, just say, I'm sorry, I don't understand. People will slow down, repeat, or explain. It shows you're learning, and that's powerful. Phrase 6. Can you say that again? Another great one for learners. If you missed something, don't panic. Just say, can you say that again? It's polite, and it helps you stay in the conversation. Phrase 7. Thank you so much. Gratitude goes a long way. Say it with a smile. Thank you so much for your help. Thank you so much for the coffee. It makes people feel good, and it makes you sound confident. If these phrases are helping you already, don't forget to like and subscribe. Liking and subscribing isn't just for the algorithm. It's how you join a growing community of learners just like you. Let's grow English Edge together. Let's do a quick role play. Imagine you're at a cafe. You walk in and you say, excuse me, can I have a coffee, please? The barista says something fast. you didn't catch it, you say, I'm sorry, I don't understand. Can you say that again? They repeat it slowly. You smile and say, thank you so much. Boom. You just had a real English conversation. Now imagine you're shopping. You say, I'm looking for a gift. The shopkeeper shows you something. You ask, how much is this? They tell you the price. You say, thank you so much. You're doing it. You're speaking English in real life. Let's recap. Today you learned 7 powerful phrases. Excuse me, can I have? I'm looking for. How much is this? I don't understand. Can you say that again? Thank you so much. These are your tools. Use them every day. Practice them with friends. Say them out loud. The more you use them, the more natural they'll feel. And remember, learning English is not about being perfect. It's about being brave. Every time you speak, you grow. Every mistake is a step forward. So keep going. Keep speaking. Keep shining. You've made progress today, and there is so much more ahead. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with a friend. Every click helps this channel grow and reach more learners around the world. Thanks for watching English Edge. See you in the next video. And until then, keep speaking with confidence.